Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oukitel C15 Pro to Samsung device. Start by going into Play Store on both of them. Then click on the search bar, type SendAnywhere and download this app from this developer. Following that, open it. Then click I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now choose Receive on Samsung and Send on Oukitel. Then click on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will go with this one photo. Click Send and then tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this password over here and then choose Receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on the scanning icon on Samsung, choose only this time or while using the app and point your device's camera at the code. Now we have to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure though by going into My Files folder and tapping on, in my case, Images. As you can see, SendAnywhere folder is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!